Empedocles of Acragas. Introduction. Empedocles of Acragas, c. 494–434 BCE, was a Greek philosopher, poet, and scientist. He proposed the theory of four fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water, as the building blocks of nature. He also introduced the concept of forces, love and strife, governing change. His ideas influenced later philosophical and scientific thought. 1. The nature of man is not simple, but complex and full of change. 2. You must plunge into the cycle of transformations to find wisdom. 3. Blessed is he who has gained the riches of divine wisdom. 4. Seek not only to see, but to understand. 5. Each learns only to the extent that his soul is prepared to receive. 6. Love binds all things together, while strife pulls them apart. 7. Recognize in yourself the unity of all things. 8. By love all elements are drawn into harmony. By strife they are torn asunder. 9. The wise man sees all beings as part of a single great whole. 10. Strive for unity, for division brings only suffering. 11. Nothing that exists ever truly perishes, only changes its form. 12. You are not limited to what you appear to be. Within you lies boundless potential. 13. Even the smallest force, when aligned with nature, can create great change. 14. Master the elements within yourself, and you master your destiny. 15. What seems impossible today is but a step on the road to wisdom. 16. The soul wanders through many lives, seeking the truth. 17. Do not mourn what is lost, for nothing is ever truly destroyed. 18. Each of us is but a traveler in the great cycle of existence. 19. Live in harmony with nature, and you shall know the divine. 20. The universe sings with the voice of the eternal, and so shall you. Ending note. Walk with awareness, for every step echoes in eternity. The forces of love and strife shape all things. Resist neither, but learn from both. In their embrace, you will find the essence of existence, ever changing, ever renewing, boundless in wisdom. To understand this is to know the secret of all life.